Hi guys, welcome back to Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how Signature Mall looks like. So we are going to Signature Mall in just a few minutes. We'll be there. Signature Mall is located in Mombasa Road. It is located in Mombasa Road. In Sabaki area. Yeah, and it's a very big mall. I'll be showing you how big this mall is. It's my first time to come to Kitengela. Is it Kitengela? Kitengela?
It's Kitengela.
Yeah, it's my first time to come to Kitengela. Where? It's not in Kitengela. It's where? So let me show you how it looks like.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out.
Hi guys, so I'm getting into the mall. Yes. Getting into the mall.
Find a way, find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way.
So I'm here at Signature Mall. This is a very nice place to do your photo shoot. I don't know if you can hear me. Very nice place to do your photo shoot. See how clear that place is. Yes, so there are some things. There's a place I want. There's some shops I want to check, and you're coming along. Okay. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you have been to Signature Mall. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Yeah.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world
I know it is very short, but some shops that we went were told we can't film, so we filmed just like not everywhere. So we were told we have to get proper permission. So I guess if I want to review the whole mall, I have to contact the office and get permissions to do that. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. So guys, let me tell you something that you probably would not know. Actually, this video was not meant for a mall review. I was meant to go to Think Twice in Kitengela, but unfortunately when I went there, I was told I cannot film until I get permission. Can you imagine, guys? Yeah, I felt so disappointed knowing that I wanted to review their clothes as I buy their clothes. I felt disappointed, and yeah, there's nothing I could do. I wanted to review their clothes, and they said I have to get proper information. I have to get proper permission, and I have to go through the office. I felt I don't know. If anyone has ever went somewhere and they are told they cannot vlog or they cannot film, kindly comment down below. Let me know what you did, because at that moment I felt so bad, and I came all the way to Kitengela to review Think Second, whatever. Even it's like I've forgotten the shop, because I was so mad. So what I've decided, I will go to their offices. I was told to go to Umoja offices to get permission, because as you know, Think Twice have very many branches, and I was told to go to Umoja, to their main office, to get permission. Yeah, so I think I'll go there, but I don't know I don't know how I feel. So guys, should I go to get permission to review their shop for you, or should I not? Comment down below, should I or should I not? Because I'm like, I have mixed reaction. I don't know, after them refusing me to film as I shop. I had my own money. It's not like they were sponsoring the video, giving me free stuff. No, I was willing to buy the clothes with my own money. So when they said I cannot, I was like, what the heck? But anyway, comment down below if you're a vlogger or a YouTuber. Let me know if you have ever been in my place where you go somewhere and you're told you can't vlog. So that's why I ended up in Signature Mall, because it's just next. Think Twice in Kitengela, it's in EPZ. If you know where EPZ is, it's just next to EPZ. So yeah, so guys, let me stop ranting and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for supporting this channel. I'm so determined to bring you fashion related content, to go to shopping malls, to go to fashion stores, and to do vlogs, to review, to do try on hauls, to do all those good stuff. I'm in for that. So sometimes it's hard, but yeah, I'm ready to do it. So yeah, support me by sharing my videos. Comment down below, let me know which videos I should do next. Give me ideas, and yeah, support me. Until next time, bye bye.